In this video, I'm finishing up the bodywork of the $1,000 C10, painting it, and it goes horribly. Getting the gear on. We got the PPE welding gloves for cutting. That's how we do it. Working on the C10. So I got all my proper protection, the 99-cent Walmart goggles and the shorts. Well, I have some pretty awful news. This paint has come out horribly on the truck. I don't know if you can see that in the GoPro. This is a mermaid blue and it has some fish scales for sure. There was a defect in the paint. I got a different kind than I've painted with before, and I guess it's water-based, and it just laid horribly, absolutely atrociously. And so I don't know what's gonna happen. It looks okay from a distance, but man, if you get up close, I am not able to get these lugs off with this. But thank goodness for power tools. We are blasting the wheels off so that we can get some new tires put on and get the wheels refinished instead of this horrible blue. that's going to be it for this video. But despite the fact that the paint turned out pretty terribly, I am still happy overall with the truck, with the build. This was my first real classic semi-restoration, and so having a cheaper chassis and cheaper platform to build on relieved a lot of the pressure of getting a showroom new C10 out of this, well, $1,000 beater. Hopefully you enjoyed the series if you watched it all the way through. If not, the links for the previous videos are down below. Check those out, as well as a link to my site, Automotive Money, that teaches automotive enthusiasts just like you how to turn your passion for vehicles into profits. Make sure that you like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with future builds. And with that in mind, I will see you on the next one.